Good morning, this is Alex with JMS Express Plumbing. I'm here today to show you what your sewer pipe looks like if everything's okay. Here we go. I removed the toilet and the bathroom in the house. We're going to see how the line goes. And if you can see, just from the start, it's holding water. I guess I went inside the tub drain. We're going to go the opposite way.